What's going on, guys? Crypto Renegade here. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about Serum. I am shifting gears a little bit to do a mini series on Solana based projects.
Thank you for your contribution, Arthur.
Forgive me for wanting a little specificity, Eames.
And their contributions to crypto. So this time we're going to dive a little bit deeper than usual and see really the details of what this project is, what exactly it is, what problems it solves, and all the tokenomics around it. First of all, Serum is built on the Solana blockchain, which we have already talked about in some other videos. But to break things down from the start, what is Serum? Well, Serum is a decentralized exchange, or DEX, and ecosystem that brings unprecedented speed and low transaction costs to decentralized finance. The beauty of this DEX/ecosystem is that despite the fact that it is built on the Solana blockchain, the way that it operates is actually completely permissionless. There are just so many other features and benefits that this project has to offer. We will see everything together in this video. But before I jump into the content, I just updated my new free ebook on the 7 best ways to secure your crypto, updated for 2021. It's 100% free, so if you're interested in that, check it out in the description, and it will also be pinned in the comments. All right, let's get started. Okay, so here we are back with Serum. We are looking at a token with a huge potential for growth. This is because Serum claims to be the first decentralized exchange that solves many problems that DeFi has been struggling with. Cryptocurrencies may be the gold standard for decentralized mechanisms and technologies today. From decentralized money to smart contracts that enable almost anything imaginable. There are no better ways to showcase the potential of trustless systems that function optimally. Surprisingly though, most crypto exchanges continue to be centralized, and several DeFi projects continue to follow similar models. This might be set to change.
The ground is shifting below our feet, and apparently there's no other way out.
Serum claims to be a completely decentralized derivatives exchange and is set to create ripples in the DeFi ecosystem. DeFi has been struggling with underlying weaknesses, and it seems Project Serum has the antidote. The Serum protocol is permissionless and allows trustless cross-chain trading, truly walking the talk with its decentralization objective here. This is something that hasn't been seen in the DeFi world in the past. I mean, sure, we have projects like Cardano, Polkadot, that besides the speedy transactions that are also aiming to go fully decentralized. Yet, Serum seems to have beaten all the odds. Now, what Serum actually does is that it aims to lead the way in decentralized exchanges, and as liquidity and trading volumes increase, this seems to be the perfect time to provide users with such an exchange. Let's admit it, true decentralization has been a problem for a long time in the world of crypto. I mean, if we truly want a fully decentralized blockchain to trade on, or to even hold our cryptos on, this could be the solution. Centralization is the first problem that this project promises to solve. This is the most crucial step, and we already said lots of DeFi projects are based on a centralized blockchain. Plus, many decentralizing protocols are computationally intensive. Therefore, it has been challenging to fit them into the Ethereum blockchain in a cost-effective way. Serum enables decentralization and allows for making cheaper and faster trades. Another crucial problem that this project promises to solve is the stablecoin dilemma. The need for a stablecoin that is always worth $1 and really does not rely on a bank that could get shut down has always been a major issue in the DeFi world. Serum provides a solution to the stablecoin problem. Another problem that a lot of users face in the DeFi world is cross-chain support. If any coins, tokens, or smart contracts could be seamlessly moved anywhere, regardless of the native blockchain, processes will become so much smoother. Serum has overcome this hurdle and provides cross-chain support. With Solana being the native blockchain, Serum will be completely interoperable with Ethereum. Now, Here we go with that cherry on top. The issue of the order books can get too expensive and slow at the same time. Since the Ethereum blockchain doesn't have a fast transaction speed to support sophisticated order books, DeFi systems often do not feature them, or the ones that do are too expensive. Serum, however, packs in order books and supports the best technology from centralized exchanges. A central limit order book is possible on Solana, partly because of its high scalability, supporting 50,000 transactions per second.
You ain't first, you're last. You know what I'm talking about? That phrase is trademark, not to use the outside position of Ricky Bobby.
Now that you are more familiar with this project and what it is and the solutions that it provides, let's dive a little bit deeper into the tokenomics side of things. What is the current price and supply that's circulating? How about the exchange distribution? What is expected from this project in the future? The term tokenomics refers to the study of how cryptocurrencies operate in the broader ecosystem and involves all the factors that may affect the value of crypto tokens. In the case of Serum, the tokens we're dealing with are SRM, or Serum, and SMSRM, or Mega Serum. They have been designed with certain principles in mind. Now, the project was released in August 2020, and during that first period of time, the prices for the digital token Serum, ticker symbol SRM, jumped 10 times more than the first day of the release. A major influence for this price increase was also the listing on Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange by volume. Even though the price of this crypto went up 10x by the all-time high reaching of $11.13, we saw it come down again and stabilize in the range of about $3. Serum has a market cap of around $150 million as I'm shooting this. Some analysts have attributed the recent success of the Serum project and Solana blockchain to their association with bankman-fried. These guys made the headlines recently with their $135 million deal to name the basketball team Miami Heat's home arena after the FTX exchange. FTX and Alameda support Serum and chose Solana as its foundational blockchain, and many people think this is the reason for all of the price increases. Yet, here's the thing about Serum.
We know you created the super soldier serum.
Get out of my lab.
Hey,
Serum tokens gain their value through utility and not through hyperinflation. This means that this is not a crypto project based on media hype. A commitment to Serum is one of only the primary aspects that is rewarded in this ecosystem. Over 90% of the tokens have extended unlocking periods, and all seed sales have long-term lockups. Clearly, they are not meant for quick profits, but long-term supporters of the Serum ecosystem. While the SRM token gives specialized governance power over Serum, MSRM is a scarce asset that gives increased utility to core believers in Serum. This is what makes Serum decentralized in a very different and special way. Now to end this with the exchange distribution. The maximum supply for this project is set to be around roughly 10 billion SRM. However, the current total supply stands at around 162 million SRM, with only half of them being in circulation. Serum is expected to hit the $10 mark again within this year, and then go only up from there, since it is only a matter of time for Solana. It's supporting blockchain to pass from the beta testing phase to the real ecosystem use. The future is all these exciting projects, and we have to sit back and see what is really going to happen. With all that being said, that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Let us know your opinions down in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video in the top right corner for Solana versus Cardano. See you guys in that video right now. Crypto Renegade out.